Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling something super handy for all you Barclays customers out there. In this video, I'll walk you through how to switch between your Barclays cards directly in the app for 2025. Whether you have multiple credit cards or debit cards linked, this feature can save you tons of time and hassle. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you have the latest version of the Barclays app installed on your smartphone. If not, head to your App Store and update it now. Once you're all set, open the app and log in with your usual credentials. Security is key, so double-check that you're on a secure network. Now, once you're logged in, navigate to the main dashboard. Look for the Cards or Accounts section. It's usually front and center. Tap on that, and you'll see a list of all your linked Barclays cards. This is where the magic happens. To switch between cards, simply select the one you want to use as your primary or active card. For example, if you have a travel rewards card and everyday spending card, pick the one that suits your current needs. After selecting, the app might prompt you to confirm the switch. Just hit Confirm or Switch Now to proceed. You'll get a quick notification or a pop-up verifying that the change has been made. Easy, right? This update for 2025 makes the process even smoother with improved interface and faster processing. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like the app not loading your cards, try logging out and back in, or check for any app updates. Also, remember that switching cards might affect how transactions are processed, so keep an eye on your statements. There you have it. That's how you switch between Barclays cards in the app for 2025. It's a game changer for managing your finances on the go. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more banking tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.